Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve a beautiful chrome-like finish on your items. First, prioritize safety by always wearing protective gear such as gloves, goggles, and a respirator. Ensure your workspace is very well ventilated to prevent inhaling any fumes. Gather all your materials beforehand, including cleaning agents, sandpaper, and your chosen chrome application method. This preparation is crucial for a successful and safe project. Next, meticulous surface preparation is absolutely essential for a flawless chrome finish. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your item with soap, water, and a degreaser to eliminate all dirt and grease. Then, use fine sandpaper, progressing through different grits, to smooth out any imperfections or rust. A perfectly clean and smooth surface, free of blemishes, ensures the chrome finish will adhere beautifully and evenly. Now it's time to apply the chrome layer. You can choose between electroplating for a very durable finish or a specialized spray kit for a simpler approach. If using a spray kit, hold the bottle approximately 6 to 10 inches away from your item. Apply the solution with 10 to 15 sprays, moving consistently from top to bottom to ensure an even and complete coating. Allow any excess solution to drip off naturally. After applying the chrome, carefully rinse your object with clean water and let it dry completely. For a brilliant shine, polish the surface using a soft microfiber cloth and a dedicated chrome cleaning agent. To protect your new finish and extend its life, consider applying a protective wax or sealant. This final step helps guard against scratches, corrosion, and keeps your item looking its best for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.